This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, July 14th, 2014. This briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for updated information. Here's the overview of the weather expected for the next week. Showers and thunderstorms are expected this afternoon into this evening. Dry and hot temperatures return Tuesday into Wednesday. Then Thursday through Saturday will bring breezy, dry conditions leading to elevated fire danger. More seasonal temperatures are expected Friday through the weekend. An upper level low is located directly overhead and has led to decent instability over portions of the region. Clouds are now moving to the north and east, allowing abundant sunshine for much of the region. Convection has already initiated in the Cascades and is expected to encompass a modest portion of the region today. Afternoon and evening thunderstorms are expected. These storms will have the potential to bring brief heavy downpours for a good portion of the area. The areas with the best chance for thunderstorms will be in northeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle. Some storms in these areas could produce small hail and gusty winds along with the mentioned heavy rain. There is also a potential for some rain over the recent burn scars. Currently no flood products have been issued, but we will be constantly monitoring the situation. Hot temperatures are expected to return Tuesday and Wednesday and will likely surpass the warmest we have seen in this recent warm stretch. Mid-90s to mid-100s can be expected. A heat advisory for some areas is a possibility on Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, a fire weather watch has been issued for the Kittitas Valley on Wednesday and Thursday. Elevated fire danger is expected Thursday through Saturday as we have gusty winds coupled with low relative humidity. Each afternoon we'll see RH values drop as winds increase. The main locations of concern will be the Washington Cascade Valleys along with the western Columbia Basin. Temperatures look to cool as we move to the end of the week. We can expect 80s to mid-90s for Friday and slightly lower temperatures for the weekend. And by the weekend we will see temperatures back down to near seasonal averages for the middle of July. Other locations will follow the same cooling trend as shown in the Spokane graphic. Here's the 8 to 14 day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center for July 22nd through the 28th. The image on the left calls for near average temperatures, while the image on the right calls for below average precipitation chances. Here's the impact summary. Showers and thunderstorms today and tonight will have the potential to bring brief heavy downpours. Some storms in northeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle can bring small hail, gusty winds, along with the heavy rain. Tuesday and Wednesday will bring the return of very hot temperatures across the region, and due to this, heat advisories might be a possibility. Wednesday into Saturday, we will be monitoring fire weather concerns mainly in the eastern Cascade Valleys and the western basin due to gusty winds and low relative humidities. Later in the week and into next week, we'll see temperatures drop back closer to seasonal averages with mainly dry conditions. And as always, here's how you can stay informed with the National Weather Service. You can visit us at weather.gov/Spokane, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter, and also follow our YouTube page. Thanks for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.